Namaste. This video is about role of directional energies or Vastu in selling of your properties. Welcome to Yogi Siddh Amma, and I'm your spiritual coach Siddh. Well, there are primarily 4 kinds of energies required to sell a property. The first is a clear intent, which is represented by the center direction. So it is very important that the center direction, or also called as the Brahmastan, should be kept very spick and span clean, so that you give clear intent to the cosmos or the universe about what would you like to do, that is, sell your property in this case. Second is the direction north, which has the energy of a buyer or a customer. So if this direction is not balanced, generally you would not have any customers at all. So if you're not able to find any customers whatsoever, this is the direction to look for, and you will find some sort of an imbalance. The third energy is that of profitability or gains. So sometimes what happens is there are customers, they're coming and looking for your property here and there, and they're asking about it, but somehow no one is offering the price that you think that your property is valued at, right? So you're not really able to make any profit or gains that you deserve. So this happens when the direction west is not in balance. The fourth energy is that of a transaction or a conversion, which is represented by the direction southeast. So if this direction is not in balance for whatever reason, even if you get a deal, even if you have a lot of buyers, you're getting the price that you're asking for some or the other reason, it doesn't convert in the end. The deal gets cancelled. Maybe the buyer changed their mind, maybe they bought another property instead, or maybe your mind changed and you did not really want to sell in just that 1 or 2 days that this deal was about to close. This happens, you don't know how this happens, why this happens, but things like these happen. So there are generally, we pointed out 4 primary reasons you may not be able to sell the property. Your intentions are not clear, the buyers are not there at all. If the buyers are there, they're not offering a price that you want to sell it at. Even if that is there, then maybe the deal gets cancelled at the last minute. So these are just energies that are blocked for some or the other reason due to some imbalance. So we'll discuss a few pointers to look out for if that particular energy is blocked. So the first thing to look for is, do you have a toilet in any of these directions? In the center, in the north, in the west, and in the southeast. If there is a toilet, your property will not be able to sell unless it is brought into balance. The second are specific imbalances. For example, if there is, so the direction north is represented by the water element. So anything that hampers or creates a problem for water, that is the fire element and the earth element. So if there is earth element in some form, like a toilet or a yellow color or a lot of storage, there would not be any buyers. If there is fire element, red color in any form, a kitchen, maybe curtains or bed sheets or bed or whatever, if that is the case, the buyers would be very hyper, but they wouldn't really be interested in your property. Next, the west direction. So it is represented by the space element, and generally the fire element creates trouble for it, and also sometimes air. So if there is a kitchen in the west which is not balanced, there might be buyers, but you are not getting the price that you're asking for. If there is air, similarly, they keep fluctuating. They're probably just doing research and they would not buy it from you. They come, they put a price on it, they try to ask the price from you. They just like air, they'll go haywire here and there, but would not offer you a price that you're looking for. Third is the southeast direction, which is represented by the fire element. So the biggest factor that stops the fire is water and also earth. So if there is any sort of water, if there is a pond, submersible, water tank, anything, this direction and this energy is blocked and in imbalance. So these are the pointers you should look for. And of course, all of this, even if it is in balance, but your intentions are not clear, you're not giving the right signals to the cosmos, again, there will be a lot of stuff happening, but not in the direction that you want. So for that, keep the center direction spick and clean. Now, all of these blocked energies, you may be thinking how to bring them in balance. So there's a lot of calculations, intuitive perceptions, and a lot of stuff that goes into it. So these blocked or imbalanced energies can be brought into balance with simple remedies without any demolition in the house. To facilitate this flow of energy, check out the links in the description to quickly sell your property at a profitable deal. Namaste.